Before you spend thousands on a new e-bike, consider this. What if your current bike could transform into an electric powerhouse in minutes? E-bike conversion kits vary greatly. Some are compact and portable, while others deliver impressive speed. Today, we'll explore some of the best kits that balance performance, ease of use, and value, with a few innovative options that could change how you think about biking. Enjoy! If you want to electrify a regular bike without permanently modifying it, the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 is one of the most intriguing conversion kits available right now. Instead of complex hub motors or wheel swaps, this 3 kg unit clamps directly onto your seat post and drives the rear tire through a friction roller. Installation is quick and tool-free, ideal for riders wanting electric assistance only when needed. Performance peaks around 500 watts and can push a bike up to roughly 32 kilometers per hour, while the swappable 158 watt-hour or 220 watt-hour battery can stretch rides to about 50 kilometers depending on terrain. What really sets it apart is the smart AAR 2.0 system that automatically adjusts assistance when it detects hills, plus regenerative braking and safety touches like fall detection and a built-in tail light. Friction drives may slip in heavy rain and feel less seamless than hub motors, but they offer great portability, quick installation, and smart features, making them a clever upgrade for commuters. For a conversion kit that resembles a purpose-built EMTB system rather than just an add-on, the CYC Photon Gen 2 stands out in a different performance tier. This mid-drive unit delivers a rated 250 watts to 750 watts output. Its impressive peak capability reaches around 1,200 watts in standard configuration, with over 135 Newton-meters of torque. The in-runner motor design and segmented stator enhance efficiency and cooling, while helical gears ensure quieter climbs. It also incorporates torque and cadence sensing for a natural and responsive assistance. Another smart upgrade is the stronger sprag clutch designed to handle significantly higher torque loads. The trade-off is that installation is more involved than quick mount friction kits, and it requires bottom bracket compatibility checks. But for riders building a serious high-power commuter or electric trail bike, this kit offers remarkable control, power, and tunability. If portability is your top priority, the KAMINGO e-bike converter takes a very different approach to electrifying a bicycle. This lightweight friction drive system weighs about 2.3 kilograms in total and mounts near the rear stay, allowing riders to clip the motor and battery on or off in roughly 10 seconds once the base mount is installed. Power comes from a 250 watts motor with peaks around 750 watts, delivering up to 40 Newton-meters of torque and assisted speeds reaching about 25 to 32 kilometers per hour, depending on the region. Its standout feature is pressure adaptive technology, which automatically adjusts the roller pressure against the tire for smoother power transfer and reduced slippage. A 266 watt-hour battery can deliver surprisingly long assisted rides, often claimed up to around 90 kilometers in ideal conditions, and even doubles as a USB-C power bank. The trade-off is that friction systems can feel less consistent on wet tires and steep climbs. Still, for commuters who want a removable, ultra-portable electric boost without permanently altering their bike, it's a smart, minimalist solution. If you want an e-bike conversion that feels almost invisible on the bike, the Skarper DiskDrive introduces one of the most unusual drive systems in the category. Instead of a hub or mid-drive motor, it uses a specially designed rear brake rotor that doubles as the drivetrain interface, allowing the removable motor unit to click into place on the chainstay. Once attached, a 250-watt motor delivers pedal assistance up to 25 kilometers per hour, with torque often reported between roughly 45 and 76 Newton meters, plenty for climbing urban hills. The integrated battery sits around the 200 to 240 watt-hour range and can stretch rides to about 50 to 60 kilometers in eco modes, while fast charging can recover short-range rides in under an hour. A wireless dynamic climb sensor automatically adjusts assistance based on terrain, helping the bike feel surprisingly natural while pedaling. The compromise is that it requires a compatible 160mm disc brake setup, and the system weight approaches 4.5 kilograms. But for rotor commuter cyclists who want a removable, engineering-forward solution, it's a fascinating upgrade. If flexibility matters in your e-bike upgrade, the Rubbee X brings a clever modular approach that few conversion kits attempt. This seat post-mounted friction drive installs without tools and instantly pushes your regular bike into electric territory. The base motor starts at 250 watts and can reach around 350 watts with expanded setups, delivering speeds up to roughly 32 kilometers per hour. What makes it especially interesting for buyers is the battery system. Each 36 volts, 93.5 watt-hour module adds more range and power, letting riders scale from about 16 kilometers with one module to roughly 48 kilometers with three. It also packs thoughtful extras like wireless cadence sensing, regenerative braking triggered by pedaling backwards, and a bright 14 LED rear light for visibility. The trade-off is that stacking battery modules increases weight, and friction drives can feel slightly less efficient on very steep hills. Still, for commuters or casual riders who want a customizable, removable electric boost without altering their bike's drivetrain, this kit delivers impressive adaptability. For riders chasing extreme power from a conversion kit, the CYC Photon X 1 Pro Gen 4 pushes into territory that feels closer to a lightweight electric motorcycle than a typical e-bike setup. At its core is a massive motor capable of roughly 5,000 watts nominal output with peak power climbing toward the 6,000 watts range depending on configuration. Torque can reach around 280 Newton meters, which completely transforms how a bike accelerates on steep trails or high-speed builds. The upgraded X12 controller supports high current delivery and battery setups from 36 volts to 72 volts, while the integrated Gen 4 torque sensor keeps the power delivery surprisingly responsive for something this strong. Chainring options and wide-bottom bracket compatibility also make it adaptable to custom builds. The obvious trade-off is weight, around 6 to 7 kilograms for the system, and this level of power requires careful tuning and a strong drivetrain. But for builders aiming to create a serious high-performance off-road machine or experimental hyperbike, it's an incredibly capable platform. Thank you for tuning in, and that's our full roundup of the best e-bike conversion kits available right now. Some built for pure performance, others for quick portable upgrades. But the real question is, if you could electrify your bike today, which kit would you choose? Would you go for a high-power mid-drive or a lightweight, removable option? Drop your pick and your bike type in the comments below,